When you picture Morocco, you probably see deserts stretching endlessly, vibrant souks filled with spices, and the majestic Atlas Mountains standing tall. But behind that rich cultural tapestry, a quiet revolution is taking place. Today, Morocco is transforming into a major hub for automotive manufacturing, and now it's taking a giant leap into the future with electric vehicles. That's right. French automotive giant Renault is gearing up to start electric vehicle production right here in Morocco. What does this mean for the country's economy? For Africa's green transportation future? And how is Morocco positioning itself as a leader in the global automotive industry? Stay tuned, because we're diving into all of that and more, right here. Morocco's automotive rise, from humble beginnings to industry powerhouse. Historically, Morocco's relationship with automobiles was modest, more about repairing and maintaining vehicles than manufacturing them. During the colonial era, the country saw limited automotive activity, mainly involving assembly of foreign-made parts. Early efforts in the 1950s, such as Sumaka in Casablanca, focused on assembling foreign kits, but these were small-scale initiatives with limited export capacity. The real turning point arrived in the 21st century. Recognizing its strategic location and competitive labor costs, Morocco began to attract major foreign automotive companies. The game changer was Renault's decision to establish a large manufacturing plant in Tangier in 2012. This state-of-the-art facility rapidly turned Morocco into a key player in automobile assembly, producing popular models like the Duster SUV and Sandero hatchback. The success of Renault's operation paved the way for other global manufacturers to follow suit, transforming Morocco into Africa's automotive hub. The Moroccan automotive ecosystem, building a local industry. The boom in manufacturing was complemented by a strategic focus on developing a robust supply chain. Morocco's government actively encouraged local suppliers to set up operations, offering incentives and creating industrial zones. This initiative led to the emergence of a vibrant network of companies manufacturing everything from wiring harnesses to metal body parts. International giants such as Valeo, Lear, and Yazaki established operations locally, while Moroccan entrepreneurs also seized opportunities to innovate and grow. This ecosystem of suppliers is the backbone of Morocco's auto industry. It ensures that the factories are well stocked with parts, reduces reliance on imports, and creates thousands of jobs. Recognizing that skilled labor is crucial, Morocco invested heavily in technical education and vocational training centers, often in partnership with automakers. This approach cultivated a pipeline of engineers, technicians, and managers ready to meet industry demands and sustain growth. The drive toward electric, a green future for Moroccan mobility. While the Moroccan auto industry has thrived on traditional combustion engines, the global shift toward electric vehicles is now reshaping the landscape. EVs represent the future of sustainable transportation, promising cleaner air, reduced greenhouse gas emissions, and energy independence. Morocco has recognized these benefits and is actively positioning itself as a leader in electric mobility, both regionally and continentally. In March 2023, Renault announced plans to establish a dedicated electric vehicle manufacturing facility in Morocco, potentially at the future Nador West Med port, scheduled to open in 2026. This port's strategic location on the Mediterranean, combined with existing and planned infrastructure, makes it an ideal site for EV production and export. The new plant would mark a significant expansion of Renault's Moroccan operations, complementing the existing Tangier factory, which already produces electric models like the Renault Zoe. Strategic significance of the Nador West Med port. The development of the Nador West Med port is a key part of Morocco's broader industrial strategy. Once operational, it is expected to become one of Africa's largest and most sophisticated ports, capable of handling significant volumes of cargo and vehicles. Its proximity to European markets offers Morocco a competitive advantage in exporting EVs and auto parts, reducing shipping times and costs. Minister of Equipment Nizar Baraka reaffirmed the port's opening date as 2026, emphasizing its role in boosting Morocco's manufacturing and logistics capabilities.
La première composante, c'est l'infrastructure portuaire de très grande capacité de transbordement, que ce soit pour les conteneurs, les produits énergétiques, et également le traitement de grande capacité pour le traitement de tout type de marchandises, vraquier, marchandises générales, et même on a un terminal roulis qui est dédié pour l'export des véhicules pour un futur constructeur automobile.
By integrating EV production into this infrastructure, Morocco aims to establish itself as a regional hub for electric vehicle assembly, component manufacturing, and export. Ambitions for a sustainable automotive industry, Morocco's push toward electric vehicles aligns with its broader environmental and economic goals. The government has committed to reducing carbon emissions and increasing renewable energy capacity, aiming for 52% of its electricity to come from renewables by 2030. Solar and wind projects are already underway, making Morocco a leader in clean energy in Africa. The transition to EVs complements these efforts. Electric cars produce zero tailpipe emissions, helping cities combat air pollution and meet international climate commitments. Moreover, electric mobility reduces dependence on imported oil, which accounts for a significant portion of Morocco's energy imports and trade deficit. Overcoming challenges on the road to electric mobility. Despite the promising outlook, Morocco faces a series of challenges that must be addressed to ensure widespread adoption of electric vehicles. Charging infrastructure. One of the most significant barriers is the lack of widespread, accessible charging stations. For electric vehicles to become mainstream, Morocco needs a comprehensive network of fast chargers along highways, in cities, and at strategic points. The government and private sector are working together to install charging points across urban centers and major arteries. Affordability. Electric vehicles remain more expensive than traditional cars, primarily due to battery costs. To make EVs accessible to a broader population, Morocco's policymakers are considering incentives such as subsidies, tax breaks, and reduced import tariffs for electric models. Public awareness. Many Moroccans are still unfamiliar with electric vehicles and harbor misconceptions about their reliability, safety, and range. Public education campaigns highlighting the environmental and economic benefits of EVs aim to shift perceptions and build trust. Technical capacity. Developing domestic EV technology, particularly batteries and electronic components, is crucial for long-term competitiveness. Morocco's strategic position as a cobalt producer, a key battery material, provides a vital raw material advantage. The country is also investing in R&D centers and startups to foster innovation. Morocco's vision, becoming Africa's green automotive hub. Morocco's automotive ambitions extend beyond manufacturing. The country aims to become a regional leader in EV technology, battery production, and green transportation solutions. By fostering partnerships with international tech firms, investing in research, and expanding renewable energy capacity, Morocco is creating an ecosystem conducive to innovation. The country's strategic geographic position offers additional advantages. Situated at the crossroads of Africa, Europe, and the Middle East, Morocco can serve as a transit and export hub for electric vehicles and components destined for multiple markets. Its political stability, pro-business environment, and expanding infrastructure make it an attractive destination for further investment. The economic and social impact. The transition to electric vehicles is expected to generate multiple benefits for Morocco. Environmental improvements, reduced air pollution, and greenhouse gas emissions will lead to healthier cities and contribute to global climate goals. Energy security. Less reliance on imported oil and increased use of domestically generated renewable energy will bolster economic resilience. Job creation. Developing the EV supply chain and manufacturing ecosystem will create thousands of high-skilled jobs, from R&D to assembly and maintenance. Industrial diversification. Moving up the value chain from simple assembly to design and innovation will position Morocco as a knowledge-based economy, leading Africa into a cleaner future. Morocco's automotive revolution is accelerating, driven by global trends and national ambitions. The country is not just content with assembling cars. It aspires to be a leader in electric mobility, innovation, and sustainable development across Africa. While challenges remain, Morocco's proactive approach, combining infrastructure development, policy incentives, workforce training, and strategic partnerships, positions it well for success. With the upcoming Nador West Med ports opening and the expansion of EV production, Morocco is well on its way to becoming Africa's green automotive powerhouse. In this race toward a cleaner, smarter future, Morocco is shifting gears, proving that even a quiet country with a rich history can lead the charge into the electric age.